Hey, let me show you all controls of your Jabra Elite 8 Active. So you can find all of them by going into the Jabra Sound Plus application, navigate into the right upper corner and opening the settings icon. Then you will have to move into this option, personalize your headset, and then move into the My Controls. And you can find controls for music and the media, incoming calls, and active calls. Let's start from the music and the media. You can actually find controls for the right and the left earbud. So on the right one, we've got actually single press to play and pause media, double press to turn on the next track, triple press to restart the track. And on the left one, we've got single press to switch between the sound mode, so we can turn on, for example, the noise cancellation. And with the double press, we will actually activate the voice assistant. And on the triple press, we can actually set something. So, for example, we can also get this restart track. And now, as you can see, we change it. Then we can go back and go for the incoming calls. Now on the right one, we can click on this click once to answer the call, click 2 times to reject the call, and the triple press is actually empty, so we can, for example, mute or unmute the microphone during the phone call. And on the left one, it's actually the same. And on the triple, we can actually set it the same options. For sure, you can replace them. So if you want to reject calls by single press, you can also do this. And for the active calls, we've got single press to mute or unmute active call, double press to end the call, and on the triple press, we can, for example, turn on and off the sine tone. And on the left one, it's actually the same. So as you can see, this is it, the all controls of the Jabra Elite 8 Active. Right now, please subscribe and see you in the next one.